I've seen somebody who really been putting me up on game take $100 to $1,000 and every week in 1 or 2 days.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
Hey, greetings, family. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If it's your first time here, I'm going to talk about making money online, generational wealth, business credit, and things of that nature. But today, we're going to be talking about that Forex. That Forex. Okay, I got to say it proper now. The foreign exchange. Because I don't want to confuse y'all. All right, so look. Here's the deal, man. Foreign exchange, I've talked about it in a video up here. It's pretty much talking about exchanging currency. Like if I go to Canada, I would change my USD to the Canadian dollars, and there'll be some type of difference in the currency about what they're worth. And you pretty much can trade, you can trade up and down and make money off of that. All right. So here's some things I learned. Forex is a mental sport. It's a mental sport, and you need to be very disciplined, and you have to follow certain guidelines, procedures, and get your confirmations, whatever they are. There's so many of them that I really can't just give them to you because I'm still learning in this thing. But what I can share is how I feel, and I'm not no financial advisor, never have been. All right, so far from what I'm seeing, like I put $100 in one account that I want to show y'all, and look, to be honest, I hadn't even been trading with that account a lot because I had another account that I was using. All right, but in me trading that other account, let me give y'all some real insight. I put like 500 in, and then I started making money. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to Profit Babies, man, because I've been in trade era, and I learned a lot. That's why I really started first gripping it. But I didn't put that time in the trade. I was getting up early in the morning doing it and everything. But then I started doing some other ventures while my time focus just shifted. But I stepped away from that. Glad I did, because I see a lot of things going on. People went to epic trading. But I'm gonna talk about the MLM aspect of it later. My bad, family. I know I'm rambling. Let me get back to this. So the thing I learned about this Forex and this mental sport is I put some money in and I started winning, and I thought I was like, I got it. I took some losses, but overall, I got it. And I'm talking about, I was like, I got it. But as soon as I got to the point where I thought I had it, I was like, nah, you thought you had it. I'm talking about, you make some money right then, next trade lose it all, because psychologically, it boom, it's like, oh man, I blew it. Okay, I ain't blew my account fully, but it got low. But the powerful thing is that when you really know what you're doing, man, I don't know, because like putting business out there like that, but I've seen somebody who really been putting me up on game take $100 to $1,000 and every week in 1 or 2 days. But I'm not telling you it's easy like that. But when you get your mindset right and you stop being so emotional and you see the patterns that's right in front of you, you can get to that point. It's possible. All right, it's possible. It's very possible. So with the account I got, I'm gonna share and build with y'all. I put $100 in, and it's probably around 250 something now. But it's a couple trades that I lost, and I shouldn't jumped in because I didn't follow my rules. But you get caught out here being greedy. You caught out here being greedy. You like, oh, I got 10 pips. Let me get 20. When 10 was your goal, get your 10, get out, wait for your setup, and do it again. It's like, dang. It's like, oh man, you know what I'm saying? So it's a lot of things you learn. Yeah. But let me just show y'all my account real quick so y'all can, we'll talk about it then. Yo. All right, look, family, this is, let me go see here. I'll go to it. Boom. That's a live account with KOT. All right, let me go to, bam, y'all see my balance is 248. Let's go to my history. Let's go to custom, because I want to see everything. I ain't had this account this long, but I want to make sure y'all can see all the trades. All right, so boom, there go, boom. I put the $100 in. My first trade $12, second trade 33. So I was pretty much going for 30 pips. Boop. But I thought I had it. Then I had me a little unsure spell. You know what I'm saying? And boom, 76 cents, negative 18. Very low stuff. Then I said, okay, let me get back to it. Boom. So you see my last 4 trades, it's like, all right, it's like lost 58. got 111, lost 75, got 49. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, man, did you really make money or no? But nah, for real though. Y'all can see. So I mean, look, if I put in 100, I'm at 250, I'm still winning overall. You know, and that's how we want to be. And these are the pairs that I look at, you know, mainly. You know, MetaTrader 4 is free. That's what this app is. All right. MetaTrader 4. And you know, you pretty much go in here, you know, like Bitcoin is operating, you can look at the chart. You can look at mine look a little funny right now because I changed the color, so my bad. But you know, you can look at what it looks like from the hour, all that stuff. But essentially, if you wanted to trade, you just click trade, boom, boom, buy or sell. I'm not gonna do that because it's a live account, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't gonna do it like that. But pretty much, yeah, man, your boy was like, I think one of these trades probably, was it that 58? I don't know if it was that 58. One of these trades, man, I was in private. I was trying to catch the pullback or something. I blew it. But if I would have waited, probably is that 1855 one. If I would have waited, I would have won. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, so you know, it is what it is. So I want to do better this week about really just focusing on building that account. And hopefully with what I learned over the past couple weeks, I can actually show y'all what's going on. But like I said, if I blow it, I blow it. But I don't plan on doing that. You know what I'm saying? But you really just got to be disciplined. It's a very mental sport. If you're an emotional person when it comes to money, if you like a gambling type of person, this really may not be for you. But as far as something that you can make profit in not every day. Well, you can trade crypto on a weekend depending on what broker you got. But as far as like what you can do every day without having to deal with other people, powerful. I don't know how long it's going to be like this because everything changes, but the cryptocurrencies and stuff should still be here. So it's still a good tool to keep on your belt. You feel me? Now, how do you learn Forex? Okay, great question. I would suggest going to Baby Pips, BABYPIPS.com. Okay, go to Baby Pips and go get your read on. It's going to tell you all the boring stuff you need to know for free ski. It's for free. All right, babypips.com. Learn market structure, learn support resistance, learn the difference between bullish and bearish, learn all these things. All right. So boom. Now there's plenty of groups out there, but let me tell you, you do not need to pay anybody to learn how to trade. You don't. But you get the right mentor in them, they might boost you up. Because when I got with the people I'm with, I said, oh, y'all doing it like this? And sometimes it be like that. I'm like, this been right in front of my face. But my mind wasn't ready for it. Why? Because I don't believe, look, I still like to kind of like, I don't believe in putting my money into something. And, you know, I'm going to get some money like from, I can't control this. I want to be able to control what's going on. Like, I want to be able to control my entity, my money, all that. And I wasn't in the right space. But if you see somebody else like, oh yeah, I just turned 100 to 1,000. You're like, well, before I speculate, let me go see. Because I find myself to be a brother still capable of learning new skill sets and things. I think so. And so it's a lot that you may have to unlearn emotionally and logically, you know what I'm saying? But it's very possible because I done seen it with my eyes. I done seen it now. So I'm still working to get better on that for real. But as far as that, so look, you got people like Epic Trading. I was with Tradera, but I'm not with them no more. You got Epic Trading. I ain't got nothing bad to say about nobody. Epic Trading. You got the IML. You know, I'm probably sure there's some other ones out there. You hear people talking about it, and the really reason it's popping because everybody see what's going on right now. It's like I need to make money from the house. Yeah, I can't rely on other people. So now people are starting to see how important it is to be able to get it from your own energy, from your own hustle, from your, just get it out the mud. Like, when you can do that, all right, you ain't got to rely on other people. You know what I'm saying? You know, a whole nother story. So that's probably maybe why you watch my channel. But now people waking up like, I can't trust this person, that person. It don't matter. It's on you and I, or whoever you are, you know, individually, you know what I'm saying, to get it. You can't rely on other people all the time. Now, anyway, how I feel about those, iMail, Epic Trading, Tradera. Look, I was in Tradera. You know what I'm saying? But and they had the one of the Coach Max. She was dope. I think she doing Epic Trading now too. Coach, she was dope. Stephen Rachel, I got in under here. He a dope marketer. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I did get in for both aspects. I wanted to learn how to trade, and I was like, okay, shit, if I make money, I can sign people up and they make money too. But the real spiel is this: you do not need to do any of that. You can go to babypips.com, all right, learn, study. Then you can go to get MetaTrader 4 for free. You can get it on your PC, you can get it on Android, you can get it on your iPhone. You need, if you're on a Mac, you can even get it on a web browser, okay? So you can get MetaTrader 4 and get you a demo account, all right? I don't suggest just hopping on MetaTrader 4 and creating a demo account. It's fun to do but they give you like $10,000 or they give you like $100,000 or something like that to start off with. Personally, what I prefer doing, you know, it's good to play with that so you can see what's possible. But also, I use KOT Forex. Okay, I think it's KOT Forex. Okay, I'll try to put a link in the description. All right, I use KOT Forex, and you got like Hugo's Way. You got some other ones. And the fact that I can start a demo account for free, you can do with all of them, and put $100 in that demo account is more realistic. So you learn how to trade from that $100 and build that up. That's very realistic for most people. So I highly suggest, if you're interested in doing Forex, learning it for free, okay, babypips.com, MetaTrader 4. All right, I use KOTForex.com as my broker, but there's plenty of other ones. Some channels to look at. I can't even think right now. I know Jerry McCash, Young CEO, and Pipology. They still got videos of J Take Profits. Swag Academy. This is off the top of my head. If you want to go learn some different things from different people for free. Now, if you want to pay somebody, that's your business. If you want to be around a winning team, that's your business. But if you out here caught up trying to pay $200-300 a month when you ain't got it, I'm not telling you to do that, because this is a skill set you're gonna have to learn now. Depending on who you rocking with, it's gonna take the learning curve. Gonna be doing different for everybody. Me personally, it's just business to me. If I'm getting into an MLM or affiliate program, I know what I'm getting into and I know what I'm paying for. But if you are getting into that, make sure you're getting with people who know how to trade and can teach you for real how to trade. Now, if you're getting into it just to sign people up, well, then that may need to be your how you present it to people. Hey, this is a great affiliate marketing referral program where you get this much commission based on people that come in. Now, if you want to learn how to trade, you can do that too. But because people have two different skill sets. People can recruit all day, and some people know how to trade. But the key is, if you know how to trade, you ain't got to recruit a person a day in your life. But I don't knock it, because I'm a person who shares information and I share referral links and things like that. So I know the power of it. I just don't look at it as a negative aspect. It just depends on the person's character and how they present something to you. All right, a lot of people say it's a scam, it's a scheme, it's a pyramid. Hey, look here. Businesses, your job, this system we living in, you know, it's a lot of pyramids. Okay, the only thing is different is your perspective and your mind, your paradigm. All right, how do you see stuff with your eye? Okay, how do you? Anyway, that's the difference. Okay, like I just said on my other videos, right? If you haven't, most successful people have read this book. Talks about it's by Robert Kiyosaki. Talks about having a rich dad and a poor dad, and both of them, you know, both important people. But the rich dad has a different mindset than the poor dad. Okay, and they can be going through similar things. All right, so your mindset is going to be the only thing holding you back from a lot of these different opportunities. But you got to focus, you got to be disciplined and know that it's a mental sport. And you don't have the mental capacity or the discipline to be dealing with numbers and money, and you're too emotional, do not do Forex. All right. But if you're interested in it, get a demo account, learn it. And yes, it's the market going up or down, buy or sell. You only got two options to make money with. All right. So in theory, you got about a 50% chance of making money when you hit that button. But if you don't know what you're doing, it'll go the other way so fast that you'll be lost and margin out your account or whatever, going to negative. So it's very important that you learn from the right people, because I know people flipping those accounts every day, every week. Talking more money, more money, more money. But I'm not going to sit here and act like it ain't something you got to learn, because it was foreign to me. I was looking at Forex on and off for years, but it's just maybe a year, maybe a little over a year. Then I started getting more serious and a little more serious. I'm like, okay, it's starting to get less foreign because I learned the basic structure of everything. All right. So with that being said, family, I'm going to do more videos updating you. Excuse my rambling. It's been a minute since I built with y'all. But, you know, find you some good information, babypips.com. Set you up a free account and learn how to demo trade. You know, binge watch setups and everything on YouTube. Learn all of that stuff and you can get it too, because the time is now. You know what I'm saying? See you on the next one. Peace.